Hi friends, today we are making pasta al forno economica, a cozy Italian baked pasta that turns pantry basics into a bubbling, golden dinner. It is cheap, filling, and perfect when you want comfort food without a long shopping list. This recipe makes 6 servings and takes about 45 minutes. 1 pound short pasta starts our simple, budget-friendly ingredient walkthrough. Penne, rigatoni, or ziti all work because the sauce catches inside the tubes. 1 tablespoon kosher salt, divided, seasons the pasta water and the tomato sauce. This keeps a cheap dish from tasting flat. 2 tablespoons olive oil give the onion a gentle start and add a little Italian richness. Use everyday olive oil, not your most expensive bottle. 1 small yellow onion builds sweetness into the sauce. Chop it finely so it melts into the pasta instead of taking over. 3 cloves garlic bring that classic savory aroma. Mince them small so they cook quickly without burning. 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes is the backbone of the sauce. Crushed tomatoes keep this easy, inexpensive, and nicely saucy. 1 teaspoon dried oregano gives the sauce a familiar Italian flavor. Rub it lightly between your fingers before adding it to wake up the aroma. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes adds a gentle warmth. It is not meant to make the dish spicy, just more lively. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a little depth behind the tomato. Freshly ground is best if you have it. 1 cup frozen peas makes the bake sweeter, greener, and more filling for very little money. Add them straight from frozen. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese gives us those soft, melty pockets. A modest amount is enough when it is layered well. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese brings salty, nutty flavor. We use some inside the pasta and some on top for browning. 1/2 cup plain breadcrumbs creates the crisp top that makes this feel like a true oven bake. Plain breadcrumbs are perfect because the sauce and cheese do the seasoning. We start the preparation by heating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and placing a rack in the center. At the same time, bring a large pot of water to a boil so the pasta is ready when the sauce begins. Now that the water is boiling, add 2 teaspoons of the kosher salt, then stir in 1 pound of short pasta. Cook it for about 8 minutes, or 2 minutes less than the package suggests, because it will finish in the oven. Once the pasta is just underdone, scoop out 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking water and keep it nearby. Drain the pasta well, but do not rinse it, because the starch helps the sauce cling. With the pasta drained, warm 2 tablespoons olive oil in a deep skillet over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped small yellow onion and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often, until it turns soft and sweet. Now that the onion is soft, add 3 minced garlic cloves. Stir for 30 seconds, just until fragrant, so the garlic flavors the oil without browning too much. As soon as the garlic smells good, pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and the remaining 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Now we let the sauce settle into itself. Simmer it for 10 minutes over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally, until it thickens slightly and the onion disappears into the tomato. When the sauce has thickened a little, stir in 1 cup frozen peas and the reserved 1/2 cup pasta cooking water. Let it bubble for 2 minutes so the peas warm through and the sauce loosens enough to coat the pasta. Now that the sauce is loose and glossy, add the drained pasta directly to the skillet. Fold everything together until every piece is coated in tomato sauce and peas are spread throughout. With the pasta coated, stir in 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. This little bit of cheese inside the pasta helps the bake hold together and taste rich. Next, spoon half of the saucy pasta into the off-white ceramic baking dish and spread it into an even layer. This first layer gives us a base for a little hidden cheese. Over that first layer, sprinkle 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella. Keeping some cheese in the middle makes the finished scoop soft and creamy without needing a lot of cheese. Now add the remaining saucy pasta on top and spread it gently to the corners. Try not to press it down too firmly, so the bake stays light instead of packed. For the crunchy topping, mix the remaining 1/4 cup grated Parmesan with 1/2 cup plain breadcrumbs. This simple mixture will brown beautifully in the oven. Finish the top with the remaining 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella, then scatter the Parmesan breadcrumb mixture evenly over everything. Aim for full coverage so every serving gets a crisp bite. Bake the pasta uncovered for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is ready when the edges are bubbling and the breadcrumb topping is golden and crisp. When the pasta comes out of the oven, let it rest for 10 minutes. That short rest finishes the cooking, settles the sauce, and makes the pasta easier to scoop cleanly. And there it is, a cozy, budget-friendly Italian pasta al forno that delivers big comfort from simple ingredients. The tomato sauce is rich, the peas add sweetness, and that golden breadcrumb topping makes every bite feel special. Serve it hot with a simple salad if you like. If this helped you make dinner easier, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more realistic home cooking.